SpaceX has become a dominant force in space exploration. Founded by Elon Musk, the company has achieved remarkable feats. In 2024 alone, SpaceX completed a record-breaking 131 orbital launches. This number represents over half of all global launches. These missions have deployed satellites, transported cargo, and even carried astronauts to the International Space Station. SpaceX's success lies in its innovative technology and unwavering ambition. SpaceX's achievements are not just about numbers, they represent a paradigm shift in space travel. The company's commitment to reusable rockets has significantly reduced costs. This has opened up space exploration to new possibilities. SpaceX is no longer just launching satellites and cargo, it is launching a new era of space travel. SpaceX's ambition extends beyond Earth's orbit. The company is actively developing Starship. Starship is a fully reusable spacecraft designed for missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. SpaceX's ultimate goal is to make humanity a multiplanetary species. With each successful launch, SpaceX brings us one step closer to that ambitious goal. SpaceX's journey has been marked by both triumphs and challenges. Yet, the company continues to push the boundaries of what is possible in space. Through its innovative spirit and relentless pursuit of progress, SpaceX is shaping the future of space exploration for generations to come. Starship is not just another rocket, it represents a revolutionary step in space travel. Designed as a fully reusable spacecraft, Starship aims to make spaceflight more akin to air travel. Its sheer size and power dwarf previous spacecraft, capable of carrying over 100 people and tons of cargo to destinations beyond Earth's orbit. The year 2024 saw significant progress in the Starship program. 4 test launches took place, each pushing the boundaries of the spacecraft's capabilities. The initial launches focused on testing the massive Super Heavy booster. This booster is the first stage of the Starship system. Later launches saw the Starship upper stage attempting re-entry and landing, a crucial aspect of reusability. The advancements culminated in a spectacular achievement. On October 13, 2024, SpaceX successfully performed a chopstick catch of the Super Heavy booster. This maneuver involved using the launch tower arms to catch the returning booster. This success marked a major milestone in Starship's development, paving the way for full reusability. Starship's development is crucial not just for SpaceX, but for the future of human space exploration. Its capabilities have garnered the attention of NASA, which has selected Starship as the lunar lander for its Artemis program. This program aims to return humans to the Moon this decade, with Starship playing a pivotal role in achieving that goal. While Starship aims for the stars, SpaceX is also revolutionizing global connectivity here on Earth with Starlink. This ambitious project is creating a constellation of thousands of satellites in low Earth orbit. Starlink's goal is to provide high-speed internet access to even the most remote corners of the globe. 2024 saw significant milestones for Starlink. The constellation grew to over 6,800 satellites, expanding its coverage and capacity. One of the most notable advancements was the deployment of satellites equipped with direct-to-smartphone capability. This technology eliminates the need for ground-based infrastructure, allowing users to connect to the internet directly through the Starlink network. On December 5, 2024, Starlink achieved a significant milestone by completing its first direct-to-cell phone constellation. This achievement marked a turning point in global internet accessibility. With this technology, people in underserved and remote areas gained access to reliable, high-speed internet, bridging the digital divide. Starlink's impact extends beyond providing internet access. It has the potential to revolutionize various sectors, from telemedicine and education to disaster relief and economic development. By connecting the unconnected, Starlink is empowering communities and fostering global collaboration in unprecedented ways. While Starship and Starlink represent SpaceX's future aspirations, the Falcon 9 rocket remains the company's reliable workhorse. This partially reusable rocket has become a familiar sight, launching payloads into space with remarkable frequency and precision. Its reusability has significantly lowered launch costs, making space more accessible than ever before. The year 2024 saw Falcon 9 break its own reusability record. On December 4th, a single Falcon 9 first stage completed its 24th successful flight. This achievement highlighted the robustness and reliability of SpaceX's reusable rocket technology. The ability to reuse rocket components has drastically reduced the cost of spaceflight, making it more sustainable and accessible for various missions. Falcon 9 has become the go-to rocket for various customers, including government agencies, private companies, and research institutions. It has launched satellites for communication, navigation, Earth observation, and scientific research. The rocket has also been instrumental in delivering cargo and astronauts to the International Space Station. Falcon 9's reliability and cost-effectiveness have cemented its place in spaceflight history. It has not only enabled SpaceX to become a dominant player in the space industry, but has also paved the way for more ambitious projects like Starship and Starlink. Section 5. A rescue mission in space. In the vast expanse of space, even the most meticulously planned missions can encounter unforeseen challenges. In June 2024, the Boeing Starliner spacecraft, carrying astronauts Williams and Wilmore, faced a series of technical difficulties shortly after launch. Helium leaks and thruster problems forced an early and unmanned return to Earth, leaving the astronauts stranded on the International Space Station. With the Starliner grounded for investigation, NASA faced a critical decision: how to bring their astronauts home safely and promptly. The agency turned to SpaceX and their proven Crew Dragon spacecraft, which had already successfully transported astronauts to and from the ISS on previous missions. In August 2024, NASA officially selected SpaceX's Crew Dragon for the astronaut rescue mission. The decision underscored the reliability and safety record of SpaceX's spacecraft. Preparations began in earnest, with SpaceX demonstrating its commitment to bringing the stranded astronauts home as quickly and safely as possible. The rescue mission highlighted the importance of having multiple options for human spaceflight. Space exploration is inherently risky, and having backup systems and reliable partners is crucial for ensuring the safety of astronauts. Section 6. Controversies surrounding the rescue. While the astronaut rescue mission itself was a testament to human ingenuity and collaboration, it also sparked controversy. Elon Musk, never one to shy away from the spotlight, publicly claimed that SpaceX had offered an earlier return option for the stranded astronauts, a claim disputed by NASA and the astronauts themselves. The situation escalated into a political debate, with then-President Trump criticizing the Biden administration for allegedly stranding the astronauts. The controversy highlighted the increasing politicization of space exploration and the potential for private companies like SpaceX to wield significant influence. NASA, for its part, maintained that the delay in the rescue mission was due to safety concerns, budgetary constraints, and the need to prioritize the well-being of the astronauts already on the ISS. The agency emphasized that the decision was made solely based on operational factors and not on political pressure. The controversy surrounding the astronaut rescue mission underscored the complex interplay between government agencies, private companies, and political agendas in the realm of space exploration. It also raised questions about the transparency and accountability of these entities in their decision-making processes. Section 7. Musk's political influence. A new frontier? Elon Musk's influence, technology and space exploration. His outspoken nature, coupled with his immense wealth and platform, has made him a significant player in the political arena. Musk's political views, often described as libertarian, both praise and criticism. In 2024, Musk's political influence was on full display during the presidential election. He openly supported then-President Trump's re-election campaign, contributing to his campaign fund. Musk's support for Trump, particularly his stance on deregulation and tax cuts, raised concerns about potential conflicts of interest given SpaceX's government contracts. Musk extends beyond campaign contributions. He co-leads an advisory committee focused on deregulation and spending cuts. His influence on policy decisions, particularly those related to space exploration and technology, from lawmakers and watchdog groups. Critics argue that Musk's political influence could lead to favorable treatment for his companies, potentially stifling competition and innovation. They also accuse on social safety nets and labor regulations, arguing that his policies could exacerbate income inequality. Section 8. SpaceX versus Boeing, a space race for the modern age. The 21st century has witnessed a new space race, not between nations but between private companies vying for dominance in the final frontier. At the forefront of this competition are SpaceX and Boeing, two giants with contrasting approaches to spaceflight. SpaceX, known for its innovative and often disruptive approach, has rapidly emerged as a leader in the private space industry. Its success lies in its ability to develop and deploy reusable rockets, significantly reducing the cost of space access. Boeing, on the other hand, with its long history in aerospace and government contracts, has taken a more traditional approach, relying on its experience and established relationships. The stark contrast between the two companies was evident in the aftermath of the Boeing Starliner's technical difficulties in 2024. SpaceX's swift response in providing a reliable alternative with its Crew Dragon spacecraft further solidified its reputation as a dependable partner for human spaceflight. The competition between SpaceX and Boeing extends beyond government contracts. Both companies are vying for a share of the emerging commercial space market, offering services such as satellite launches, space tourism, and even lunar missions. The rivalry between these two giants is expected to drive innovation and accelerate progress in space exploration for years to come. Section 9. The future of space exploration. A new era dawns. As we venture further into the 21st century, the future of space exploration appears brighter than ever. Private companies like SpaceX have injected new life into the industry, challenging traditional norms and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The dream of humans becoming a multi-planetary species, once relegated to science fiction, now seems within reach. SpaceX's ambitious plans for Starship, its fully reusable spacecraft designed for interplanetary travel, have captivated the imagination of people worldwide. The prospect of humans setting foot on Mars, once a distant goal, now feels tantalizingly close. The success of Starship could usher in a new era of space exploration, opening up opportunities for scientific discovery, resource utilization, and even the establishment of permanent human settlements beyond Earth. The future of space exploration is not without its challenges. Funding, international cooperation, and ethical considerations surrounding space travel and resource utilization will require careful consideration and collaboration. However, the advancements made by companies like SpaceX have ignited a spark of hope and excitement, reminding us that the human spirit of exploration knows no bounds. The next chapter in human history is being written in the stars. With companies like SpaceX leading the charge, we stand on the precipice of a new era of discovery, innovation, and boundless possibilities in the vast expanse of space.